is that? Don't sit down. Stand back up. He can still hear us. Tell him thank you. Clap for this man. Raise your voices. They depend on it. They depend on it. They depend on me. They depend on you. And he can have a legacy, the Kennedy legacy. Are you kidding me, chiropractic? Do you hear what's happening? Do you know where you're at right now? 2019, history. You remember this day. You're doing it, but he can't do it without dollars. He's got the voice. He needs the power. Who knows about power in this room? Power that made the body, heals the body. Who knows about connection in this room? Do not forget this day. Every single dime you spent to get here, every single dime will come back to you tenfold. Tenfold. You serve humanity. We are done playing small. You can sit down if you want to. I'll probably make you get up again. These are my babies. My babies. Now, I don't play. So if I'm here, that means I'm not there. And my time is my most precious commodity. So if I take it from them to give it to you, then I'm going to give it everything I've got because God made me that way. And I play that way from up here and I play that way from out there. You are 3/4 of the way through Cal Jam. And the heavy hitters are coming this afternoon. You lean in. Tired? Too bad. Brain feeling full, heart getting a little fluttery? Lean in. How may I serve? What am I missing? Drop it in. Open up. Empty out the cup. Let it in. Let it flow through you. Because what do we do? What do I do? I'm a connector. I want people to feel more of that. I'm a love doctor. I'm a hope dealer. I'm a chiropractor. I reconnect people to source, to their potential. Now, for me, that starts with me. And even a year ago when I stood up here, I wasn't that. I would preach it, but I wasn't living it because I was a servant. So that means I got to give and give and give, right? But if you don't take care of you, then what do you got to give? I need my connection to master. I need source. I need adjusted. That's why I married that man. Yeah. Aquaman don't got nothing on my man. I get to kiss him whenever I want. I get adjusted whenever I want. We're passionate humans. That's why we get two at a time. They teach me connection. It's funny because people ask me, like, you got 2 sets of twins. How'd you do that? I didn't do that. I gave them a cool place to hang out for a few months. I even threw in a womb mate so they weren't lonely in there, you know? You know how many people they helped adjust? Women. It ain't harder. It's more beautiful. I got to hold babies in my hand while I'm growing humans. Connection? Nobody knows connection like that. My wives, CAs, stand up. I've heard probably 10 times this weekend. I see you. I see you. I've heard 10 times, I'm just a CA. Don't you ever say that. You keep it moving. We couldn't do anything without you. Nothing. And my team, we get the big idea. I can't go anywhere by myself. I could Wonder Woman this thing and go out there lonely in the world, but that's not fun. Like Patrick said, like they all talked about yesterday, love is the way. Glowacki talking about happiness is the way. I don't want to be alone on the road. I want my girls. Safety pin cycle. What is connection? Safety pins. They should be in your purses. They should be in your pockets. What do? Well, I'm happy you asked. Can I show you the safety pin? They say yes, I puke all over them.